Alright. I got a free roam, and we're gonna try a new map called the Quarry. It's actually really fun, I think. Yeah. I'll put a link in the description for the map, unless I forget. Then just ask. Um, Maybe I should start editing these out. What? Well, then I have to quit talking during these things. Hello? Okay, here it comes. Maybe. There we go. Alright, now let's go for everything to load up alright. And now let's go for a little drive. We'll just explore the map a little bit. Nice and slow. Oh crap. Oh crap. Okay. Oh no. Ow. Oh my frames. Oh, my computer's gotta be crying. So what's my frames per second anyway? I'm actually getting a 14 frames per second. That's not too hateful for me. It's pretty bad, but for me, not too bad. Uh-oh. Ow. Nice leisurely drive down the mountain. Maybe. Oh, another thing, if you don't have a, super great computer, I wouldn't recommend running this map because it is very intensive on its graphics and everything. My computer's having trouble as it is. Break, break, break. Okay. Uh-oh. Oops. Ow. Oh no. Oh. Crap. Truck, you weren't supposed to. Well, anyway, you can see the map again. And come on, go, go, go. And you get a good idea what the map's like from just that. So we're going to go back up to the top because I broke my truck. And I don't feel like okay. And we'll try another vehicle. Do 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 do. Stick with stock vehicles this time, I guess. Oh, great. I'm gonna take a jump. Look at this truck. Uh-oh. Oh no! Smush. Ow. 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 Can we sit back at the top? I think, if I remember correctly, I'm not sure, it's been a little while since I played this, but... Oh crap. Don't drive off the map, please. I think if I turn around, there is actually nothing up here. Oh, okay. Never mind. What was you say? I don't think it's up here. I was thinking it was. Never mind. Forget it. It's okay. Jump. Oh boy. Ow. 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 I mean, as you can see, it's pretty good. I mean, if you look at my frames per second now, it's pretty good. Still pretty good. I mean, it's not doing too hateful. Also, I'm not at the highest settings either. But still alright. Don't at the lowest either. Well, anyway, that's that. Ow. Ouch. You'd have no trouble living through that, right? You'd be fine. Yeah, sure. No, not at all. Anyway, just drive on down. Let's just see if we can drive on down this. Maybe actually succeed this time. Just kind of cruise along. Maybe. Now we went that way the last time, so I think maybe there's another path like off of here. I feel like there was. Haha, I can't be wrong all the time. Find another path. But I mean, it's a pretty neat map. It's it's got its plus sides, it's got its minus sides. I mean, like all maps. What the? Oh, these. Ow. Yeah, these just deceptive walls. Yeah, I'm hitting a wall, but yet I'm not. That's okay. I hate these walls. Ow. 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 No, 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 don't flip. Oh, really? Okay, fine, we're just going down. Ow. Okay, so, that's water. I couldn't tell. It's interesting. Oh, now I can see it. Crap. Alright. Well, anyway, let's just do a little overview of the map, and then we'll call that a video. Here I am. And there's the rest of it. I have a look over the map. We came down that trail. Up and around there. We were starting to go down there, and it went terribly. Oh. Of course, you got the actual true bottom of the quarry, which is actually kind of cool. Got the equipment over here. And why we already did that, I won't do that. Put that on top of there. But anyway. Whoops. Wrong button. Oh well. I'll call that. Yep.